Okay, friend. Today we have started to 11th biology NCERT. NCERT 11th is 22 chapters in 5 units. Today we have discussed two first chapters, the living word. Living word unit first. Diversity. Unit first, diversity in the living word. Then under to unit first chapter, the living word. The living word under to, firstly we have discussed two characteristics of living organism. Characteristics of living organism. Characteristics of living organism. How many living characters in this plant, animals, in organism, to how to discuss this is firstly important to discuss of the growth. Secondly reproduction. Third metabolism. Then next cellular organization. Then conscientious. Then we have discussed to first growth. How to growth in our living organism. Step by step we have discussed to growth. All living organisms grow. All living organisms grow. Secondly, increase in mass. In numbers, individuals are twin characters of the growth. Then cell divisions. Plants and animals both are cell divided, but plants is divided to continuously. Animals in certain age. In plants divided to mitosis and animals in meiosis. Division also enable to replace lost cells because every time is a new cells in divided. Then after that plants increase mass and numbers of individual or twin characteristics of growth. Twin characters means mass and number. Mass increase the size. And number of cells. The next unicellular increase the division numbers. In growth increase in body mass. Non-living grow with accumulation materials, surface, mountain, boulders, and sand mounds. Growth cannot be defined property. Living organism. Conditions when it is observed in living organism. When explain characteristics of the living. Dead organism does not grow. Dead organism does not grow. The next steps we have discussed to reproductions. First is a growth, second is a reproduction. Reproduction is a characteristics of the living organism. Characteristics of living organism. Then production of progeny similar to parents. Animals also in production in similar to parents, and plants also similar to parents. If you imagine in mango tree, in same mango tree it happens after seed, in flowering the plant and seed, and one parents to progeny to second progeny. Then asexual and sexual reproduction in unicellular organisms like amoeba, bacteria, chlamydomonas multiply increasing numbers defined as a growth. Then asexuals and sexuals. Sexual reproduction organism. In just example, in a fungi produce spore. They have two spores. In asexual reproduction, in sexual reproductions, in male and female gametes have male and female gametes. The next topic is a metabolism. All living organisms are made of chemicals in small or big. Chemicals, biomolecules, which are made a change to other molecules. Conversion reaction of these molecules all living organisms are made of chemicals, small and big. Chemicals, biomolecules, which are made of change to other molecules. Biomolecules